Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to share my May 2020 kit haul. First off, I have my Felicity Jane Hope kit, and it has a lot of florals as well as heart and dot and lots of pink and gray and maybe gold undertones. I'll show you. They send these every month. This is a die cut shape that says May. And so this is the first paper. I can tell you right now, I don't want to cut this. I want to hold on to this and keep it forever and ever because it's beautiful. The back side is a stripe, and then it has that gingham border strip. Yeah, so this is one of my favorites. I can see die cutting some of the, or not die cutting, fussy cutting some of these images out. Some of it around these leaves and stuff might be a little more difficult, but yeah. Then is this hearts and crisscross. And there's the crisscross on the back, looks like cross stitching, and it has a scalloped gold border strip. Love that. It goes from gray to almost blue-green to gold, all shades of pink and peach and coral, all the way up to a dark coral. Love that. Next one is called Spots and Numbers. And again, it's lots of white polka dots on it almost looks grayish green background, and then the numbers are on the back side with this pink and white striped border. Next is Confetti and Windows. I love this one. I love any that mixes all the colors, and this has all the different colors in the stripes on this paper, and they're not even. If you look here, these are closer together than over here. They're wider apart, so these are like wonky crisscross there, but I love that one with all those colors in it. The next one is called Stripes and Dots, and it has that yellow gold, very light tone yellow gold, and dots on the back with that dotted, what do they call it, confetti border strip. Next is a pink gingham. Ginghams are not my favorite. I'm learning to use them a little bit more with my Felicity Jane kits, but it's not easy. And then the floral on the back side, I can see using this, and another scallop border in that grayish green color. And then, of course, two solids. You have the coral and the grayish green here, and on the back you have almost a pale gray and then a lighter pink. So there are the pattern papers. Beautiful pattern papers. And so along with this, I want to pull one of these that has all the colors. I think this one has all the colors. They sent along two alphas. One is called, well, they're both called Essentials. I don't know. White with black polka dots or crosses, I can't tell. Maybe polka dots. And then this one is that peachy pink color. Yeah, beautiful. This month has a stamp set, and it is the Hope stamp set. It says every little thing will be okay. You've got this today. PM, AM, stars, good night. A little bit of a rainbow wedge there. On the bright side, the best days are ahead. Every day is a fresh start. Hope, a heart, hope with an H over top. Look for the good, and good morning, and then a sunshine symbol. So those are beautiful. Along with it, let me show you the pocket page. No, these little file folders. You can see the inside is pink and the outside is the floral. There's a packet of these dots and that gray green, black and white gingham, and a beige, or almost, I guess, that yellow color. I think of that as dusky pink with the black and white stripe, diagonal stripe, and then pink with white dots and a gray color, and then that yellow crafty color with a black interior. So those came along with it. This washi tape with the hearts. How pretty is that? And then on to these little paper clips in the dusty rose color. Very pretty. A package of buttons. Yeah, and they're pinks and whites. And then this came as the thank you card. Very cute with a little image of hope. And then these are the pocket page cards. And it says week number, or week no period. Oh, love that one. Again, the roses, the wonky stripes, the wonky grid. A beautiful day begins with hope. Aw. That's a grid with the rose, black and white stripe, hearts, white hearts on a dusky pink background, and then almost like a little ledger page. The grids are marked off with heavier lines, with heavier spacing. And then finally the die cut pack. And I just emptied them all out in here. You can see there's hope. It says good moments. Do more of what makes you happy. A little scallop edge. It's the little things. Bows. Heart this. Hexagons. Remember. More hexagons. The word hope. Tags. Hearts. Lots of heart die cuts this time. More hexagon. A little cactus. A rose. Little tags. That says together. And reset. And home. An ampersand. Another cactus. And another, looks like a succulent. Roses. Tags, and lots of little tiny hearts down in there. So those are all the die cuts. In addition, I ordered the Hope stamp. My granddaughters love to color these little girl images in, and they're so fun. Now, along with this month's kit, they did have their paper grab bag on sale, and so I got that in addition. I should probably do a separate video for this, but I'm not going to. Included in this, there were 25 sheets of paper for like $10. And so they're from Megan, from Jill, from Jenny, from Noelle. Looks like there's maybe two of each. Two from each different kit. Oh, there's another from Megan. And a Hannah. Another Hannah. Shay. Denise. There's only one sheet from Denise. Only one sheet from Bailey. The Sarah, I love that, and that. Elizabeth, so pretty. Lola, Rebecca, Denise, and then solid colors, that dusty rose and pink. That's a peachy color and a darker pink, a blue and a darker blue, gold and gray, dark blue and light blue. Okay, so that's what I got in addition to my regular kit. I did get a couple of extras. I got this for $10, and then I think the stamp itself was like $8. So yeah, those came along. I might split some of these papers up to go into some of the kits that I have not already used, and see how they pair with those. Anyway, guys, let's see what I have next. Okay, and my Freckled Fawn kit this month came with 2 sets of dark blue alpha stickers. And they're the ones that they've been recently doing. They have the solid, the diagonal stripe, and the polka dot alphas. And I always get 2 sets of those. The washi strips that came, there's not really any dark blue in this. Maybe the writing here on that, maybe that looks black rather than dark blue. And this looks black in this instead of dark blue. So those don't feel like they match. And this has the 1 piece of dark blue here, and then 1 piece here and a little star there on the chipboard stickers. Then the labels, again, I feel like it's a good match for the washi tape and the chipboard pieces, but not so much the alphabet. And then these are just straight out of the blue. The green and the blue does not match anything. So this kit, I can honestly say I can use bits and pieces of it here and there, but as a kit, I really don't think it works. But oh well. This says on this day, and that's my wood veneer. So that's it. That's what I got with my Freckled Fawn monthly kit. And because it's my birthday month, I did go to Tuesday Morning because they've reopened, and I bought a few things. I'll start off with these sequin packs. This one has some seashells in it and some other things, unicorns, and of course another snowflake blend. It has snowflakes and the little gemstone, clear gemstones. This one is winter theme, fall theme, forest themed. It's got trees and deers and snowmen, stars, buttons, has a little bit of everything in there. And this one is also a winter theme. It's got snowflakes, snowmen, gemstones. It's got different color sequins, teardrop sequins. Yeah, so tons of those to play with. Then I got some paper clips because that's just something I do. These are standard gold. These are from Creative Devotion, and they're binder clips. Yeah, and I just like them. I like the gold ones for some reason. I did get 2 packs of, these are American Crafts, stars and cacti. Those are so cute, and they look so cute in a planner, and that's where I use them primarily. I don't use too many paper clips in my planner other than, or in my scrapbooking other than like those, anymore like those little tiny ones from Felicity Jane. Anyway, I got this Twilight 6x6 pad, and I haven't looked yet, but I think I got the 12x12 of this collection. If not, I'm going to look for it, and if I find it, I'll get it because I do like this one. Sorry, it's Twilight by One Canoe 2. Yeah, so I love this paper pad, and that shows all the 18 designs in there. There's 36 papers in here, so I guess maybe 2 of each. And then I got some stamps and dies. This die is from Stephanie Bernard, Sizzix and Stephanie Stephanie Bernard. She does the, oh, I just stopped that kit subscription. Oh, my brain just went daft on me. Anywho, these are ovals with dots to mimic stitching. So if you wanted to stitch, you probably could through those holes because they are fairly large. But that's okay. I love those. This set from Firefly I guess is the company. There's 12 pieces. I bought it for this globe die here. These are really cute travel stamps, but I'm sure I have stuff like this in my stash already, so I really don't care much about those. I bought it for the die, and $4.99 for a die. I mean, that's not too bad. These are Echo Park designer stamps, and they have Monday through Sunday with arrows, and then a heart, a phone, a typewriter, hello, and then the numbers. I primarily bought them for these, but I can use the numbers as well. Those are a good size number, but they are all on one strip. They're not divided. So yeah, if I wanted to use them separately, I would have to cut them apart, which is okay too. I don't mind doing that. And then finally, not finally, this die set is from Sizzix, and it is stamps as well as dies, and it's a David Tutera. Anywho, love this one because of the basic leaf shapes there, and then the stamps to go on the leaf shapes. And this shows you an image of what it looks like when you stamp those out. Beautiful, beautiful collection. And then finally, there's these framelits. This is the Tim Holtz, oh, what do they call it? The Hipster Monkey. Yeah, so I have the stamp already, but I don't have the dies. And so I bought the dies, and I hope they work with the stamp that I have. It looks about the right size. So, yeah, I'll have some fun playing with those. Anywho, yeah, that's what I got for my birthday haul from Tuesday morning.